Thanks Self-Haircut University for sponsoring this video. It's your man Alex, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys why joining Self-Haircut University is the best way for you to start learning how to cut hair, whether it's cutting your own hair or cutting friends and family's hair, so you can start saving thousands of dollars every single year for the rest of your life and never have to pay for a barber's visit ever again. So without any further ado, let's jump right over to my website and let me show you guys all of the different services and how they benefit you so that you can start cutting your own hair, make less mistakes, learn a lot faster than just watching YouTube videos, and actually save real money every single year for the rest of your life. All right, you guys, so the first thing you see is the #1 self-haircut school in the world, which I honestly believe is 100% accurate, 100% true. And then you can see here, less mistakes, faster results, thousands saved, Self-Haircut University. It's kind of like the Papa John's jingle, right? Better pizza, better ingredients, Papa John's, right? So then we move forward going down my website, and we've got here about a 1-minute clip just kind of going over the very basics about Self-Haircut University. So then I continue to scroll down, and this is where you're going to be able to choose your plan, whether that plan is a monthly access or a lifetime access. You've got 3 options for a monthly access and 1 option for a lifetime access, right? So here we've got silver, our intro, our gold, our intermediate, and our platinum, which is our more advanced monthly access. And then we've got VIP here, which is like your really extreme, advanced, expert level. You've got the money, you're super serious about cutting your own hair, you want to get lifetime access. This is going to be the one that you want to join, VIP. So this is where these services are, and then I go a little bit more in detail and explain each of these services right in here. So for example, I've got new member coaching call right here. And you scroll down and it says, as soon as you join SHU, you'll attend a new member group coaching call with Alex to make sure you get started on the right track. So within 72 hours, we're going to be jumping on like a 30-minute to a 45-minute call, and I'm just going to ask you a few questions as well as give you some really strong advice from the start, so that way it boosts your confidence and makes you feel really confident about moving forward and learning how to cut your own hair. The next thing is the private Discord community, which silver, gold, and platinum members all have access to the private community. Now, when you are a VIP member, you get your own separate VIP community. So you get a private VIP Discord community, right? So if you're a VIP member, you'll have access to both of the Discord channels. The next thing is the 120 plus lectures, right? If I scroll down here, from beginner to advanced, mistakes to good practices, these 120 plus high quality lectures are designed to give you the foundation you need to succeed in haircutting. So I've got lectures from the past 3 years of creating videos on YouTube. I've thought things through, I've wrote a bunch of ideas down, I've had people reach out to me from the community and tell me videos that I should create, and I've made over 120 plus videos from the beginning to the end on how you can get started and what you need to do in between to advance your skills. The next thing is 48-hour feedback. So basically, when you're in the private Discord community here, you can ask me as many questions as you want, and within 48 hours, I will respond to you, or one of the admins will respond to you. So that's just so you know that I'm actually genuinely a part of the Discord. I take action with the Discord with all of my members, and I'm genuinely here to help because I personally am most likely going to be the one that answers all of your questions. Next is the new lectures added regularly. New lectures will be added regularly to the curriculum at no extra charge. So if you guys ever have any questions, if you guys have any video ideas, maybe you'll get some inspiration and be like, oh, that's a great idea for a video topic for the course. Or I'm just making a video one day and I'm like, that's probably something that I should add to the course as well. Any video that I create in the future or from this point on will be added to the course 100% for free. So all of those benefits that I just mentioned is solely for the silver plan, which is only $7.99 per month. Now, also, everything that I just mentioned is also included in the gold plan, the platinum plan, and VIP as well, obviously with a slight twist because with VIP you get your own private Discord community as well. Now moving forward to Gold, which is our $10.99 per month option, you get access to the group coaching calls. Now scrolling down here, the group coaching calls, a personalized and tailor-made learning experience through weekly group coaching calls. So basically, once a week, I'm going to be doing a group coaching call with whomever wants to join, right? However many members want to join, whether it's 5, 10, 20 members, it doesn't really matter. Between 30 minutes to 1 hour every single week, we can jump on a group member coaching call, and you guys can ask me as many questions that you have regarding cutting your own hair, regarding anything, whether it's your equipment, your tools, your lighting, any question underneath the sun when it comes to cutting hair, self-hair cutting. You can ask me any of these questions on the group coaching call every single week. So it's a really nice addition to the gold plan, and it's only an extra couple dollars a month. So now moving forward to the platinum plan. The platinum plan includes the silver and gold benefits, but also has the addition of the live self-haircut tutorials. Scrolling down, you can see the live self-haircut tutorials every 2 weeks for roughly 2 to 3 hours. Myself will be hosting a private live stream where I'll be cutting my own hair and teaching members simultaneously. So basically, within the live stream tutorials, I'll be sending a YouTube live link, an unlisted YouTube live link, where you can join and watch me cut my hair for 1.5 to 3 hours. Depending on how many people join, depending on how many questions, will really dictate how long the haircut and the live stream actually is. But the more people that join the live stream, the more questions you ask in the YouTube chat, the longer the live stream is going to end up being. So this is a really nice addition to the benefits for the platinum package, because again, it's personalized, it's tailor-made. You guys can tell me what haircuts you want me to give myself, and then I can literally, between every single guideline, check the chat and see who's got a question, and literally just tell you and answer your question right then and there during the live stream. So all of that, silver, gold, platinum, all of those benefits that I just mentioned are only for $14.99 per month. So then we slide over to the VIP plan, which is the lifetime access plan. Again, it includes everything from silver, gold, and platinum, right? The new member coaching call, the private VIP Discord community, 120 plus lectures, but this time, instead of 48 hours feedback, you get priority over every single member, and I'm giving you 24-hour feedback, right? So if you've got a question and you ask me a question in the VIP Discord community, just know within 24 hours of asking me that question, I will respond to you and give you a very nice, well thought out, detailed answer. So because you're joining VIP, you're basically a priority in my mind. Because you're willing to spend more money up front, that shows me that you're a lot more serious than someone that isn't putting up $593 up front. So that's why you get priority by getting 24-hour feedback instead of, let's say, 48-hour feedback from the silver, gold, or platinum plan. And that's also why you're getting your own private VIP Discord community instead of being put into the private Discord community with the silver, gold, and platinum members. So really, I'm making it so you really do feel like a VIP member by getting your own separate Discord and priority response time. And then on top of that, you also get the new lectures added regularly as well, the weekly group coaching calls, the every 2 weeks live streamed self-haircut tutorials, and this is another added bonus for VIP only. I'm going to be giving you the opportunity to have a private one-on-one coaching call with me, and this could be for an hour or an hour and a half. So if one day you decide, I think I'm doing good, or I'm really struggling for some reason, we can jump on for an hour, hour and a half. This could even be while you're cutting your own hair or while you're cutting someone else's hair, and I can literally tell you throughout the video, throughout the coaching call, what you should be doing. You should be using this guard with this lever. You should be going up 1/2 inch. You should be using scissors for this part. Literally anything. If you just want to sit down and chat, or you want to actually talk to me while you're cutting your own hair, we can do both. It doesn't even matter. But the option is there for you to do so. And again, it's personalized, it's tailor-made, it's me and you. All of these benefits that I just mentioned for VIP is only $593 for lifetime access. So then when you're ready to join whichever plan, whether it's silver, gold, platinum, or VIP, just click on the button here, enroll, and then you'll be redirected to the Teachable website, which is the platform that I use to house all of the lectures for the program. It's a paid platform that I pay for every single month. It's very professional, very secure. So just know when you're making the payment, it's a very, very secure transaction. All transactions are secure and encrypted by Teachable. So you fill out the card information, fill out your name, address, all that jazz, and then you just click buy now. And then once you purchase it and you click buy now, you're gonna be sent to a thank you page where I would recommend you read or just screenshot the thank you page and make sure you go through each of the steps that I've laid out for you in the thank you page. So moving forward, we can see right beneath the benefits here, I've got an option for you guys to write your first name, your phone number, and email. And when you click submit, you're gonna get access to a free 3 lectures to see if SHU is right for you, right? Our mission is to provide value first with our members as top priority. If you've ever felt uncertain about the style of lectures within SHU, consider entering your information to receive 3 free lectures directly from SHU's curriculum. So if for some reason, even after I've just listed all of these amazing benefits from all 4 of these different options, if for some reason you're still on the fence and are still not too sure of what you're actually getting, type in your information here and check out the 3 free lectures that are directly from SHU's curriculum. So then we keep scrolling, ready to start your SHU journey, enroll here, and it just puts you back up to the choose your plan where you can then enroll in one of the 4 different plans. So moving forward on the website, I've got some member testimonials here, right? So Peter here and Miguel here are both VIP members within the community. Peter, for example, decided to do a video testimonial for me and make it look extremely professional. Now, he didn't need to do this. I literally was not expecting him to do anything like this. And then boom, sends me a professional grade testimonial. I'm pretty sure he does like videography work. He has like professional cameras. So he just decided to do this anyway. And Peter and I have been on numerous private calls. Peter's a very good student. He's learned a lot. He's enjoyed it so much to the point where he decided to create a video testimonial for me, which I still appreciate to this day. Miguel, on the other hand, I've been on a handful of calls with Miguel, and Miguel is a very, very detail-oriented person, loves learning. He cuts his hair once a week. So if any of you guys have any questions ever about self-haircutting, and I'm not the one in the chat, you can always ask Peter, Miguel, and a handful of other students, because these guys have done a lot of work with me and they're definitely a good reference point to feed off of if you've got any questions. And again, these guys are both VIP members, so if you join VIP, you'll have access to speak to these guys. And then going down, we've got a few more testimonials right here from a few other members. And then finishing off on the website, we've got the frequently asked questions where you guys can go through and click on these drop-down menus. And I've tried to create questions that I think are common questions that people would ask about Self-Haircut University, right? Will the price ever go up? Do I pay month to month? Can I join at any time? Barber school versus Self-Haircut University. And then you can keep going, learning at SHU. What's the curriculum look like? Targeted students, additional benefits, and so forth. So a lot of your questions might be able to get answered in the frequently asked questions section. Otherwise, if you ever have any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram or send me an email directly through Self-Haircut University. If you click let's chat right here, I get all of the notifications from those of you guys that message me through this chat. But I'm pretty sure I've gone through everything within the website. I've made Self-Haircut University very, very affordable and very, very accessible for the majority of people, right? $7.99, $10.99, $14.99, and $593 for lifetime access are all very, very affordable and good pricing for all of the benefits that you guys are getting, which I've mentioned and laid out in today's video. If you guys don't have $7.99 per month to learn how to cut your own hair and save thousands of dollars every single year for the rest of your life, I don't know what's going on, because that's literally less than going to Chipotle, getting a burrito, and not even getting guacamole, and not even getting the extra tortilla or nachos or a drink. $7.99, it's like going to Starbucks one time. So again, all of these amazing benefits for a very, very high quality price to get you guys at least started so you can check it out, see if Self-Haircut University is a good fit for you. If not, remember, if you do join a monthly plan just to check it out, just to see what it's about, see if it's a right fit for you. If for some reason you don't like it, you can cancel at any time because, again, it's a monthly subscription, just like your Disney Plus or your Hulu. Now, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found a lot of value, because I know there's been a lot of people that have always wanted to ask me questions about the details within Self-Haircut University, and I don't think I've created a good enough video to go through all of the different benefits and what you actually get by joining. So I hope in today's video I did a good job explaining all of the benefits and what you actually receive by joining. If you or anybody you know is also looking to learn how to cut their own hair, or you're a parent and you've got children, you can send this to your neighbors, send this to your friends, whomever wants to learn how to cut hair in general. Self-Haircut University is the best place to be so that you can learn as quickly as possible with the least amount of mistakes as possible to stop having to go to the barbershop, right? Waste money on driving, on gas, on time, on the waiting room, and then paying the barber plus the tip, doing all of that. Avoid all of that and just take 5 steps to your bathroom and conveniently cut your own hair. So with all that being considered, I hope you guys join Self-Haircut University, and I'll get the chance to teach you guys and learn a little bit more about your situation so that I can help you learn how to cut your own hair or just cut hair in general at a much faster pace than what you would learn by just watching random YouTube videos on the internet. So with all that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as click on the post notifications as well to never miss any of my new weekly videos. But thank you all so much for watching and staying till the end. I hope to see you guys in the private Discord community soon.